How to create Twitter account? Creating Twitter or X account is quite easy and simple. Just open Play Store and first install the X or Twitter app on your device. Now tap open button at the top right corner and you will reach on this page. You can either continue with Google or tap create account. Let's tap create account button and here select your language. Once done, tap next at bottom right corner of the screen. Now on the space to create your account, enter your name, email, and date of birth. Once you have done that, tap Next button at bottom right corner of the screen. Now check your email and enter the verification code that you have received on your mail. Once you enter the code, tap Next button at bottom right corner of the screen. Now here you'll require a password, so let's enter it. Now tap Sign Up at bottom right corner of the screen. You need to wait for a while. If you wish to pick a profile picture, you can upload it. Otherwise, tap Escape for now at bottom left corner of the screen. Now enter the unique username for your account and then tap at bottom right corner next button. To allow X to send you notification, tap Allow or tap Don't Allow. That depends upon you. Now tap Continue button and tap Allow to access your contacts. You have to follow one or more accounts in order to continue to your Twitter or X application. So let's start following the user we'd like to. Once you are done, tap next button at bottom right corner of the screen. And finally, you have created your account on Twitter. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.